In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate year-over-year, or YOY, in Tableau. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced user looking for a quick refresher, these steps will guide you through the process efficiently and effectively in just a few minutes. Let's start by opening your preferred web browser and searching for Tableau. Once you're on the Tableau website, log in with your existing account. If you don't have one yet, you'll need to sign up, which is quick and straightforward. Once logged in, you'll want to locate and click on an existing workbook where you wish to perform your YOY analysis. Now, let's dive into setting up your visualization. Begin by identifying the dimension you want to analyze over time. For our example, let's use order date. Click and drag the order date dimension to the columns or rows area. This setup is essential as it will define how your time periods, like years, are laid out in your visualization. Next, locate your measure, which could be something like sales, and drag it to the columns or rows opposite your dimension. An important detail here is to ensure that your date dimension, the order date, is in a discrete format. This will be indicated by a blue pill, which helps distinguish it from continuous data. With your basic setup ready, it's time to apply a table calculation that will compare your data year over year. Right-click on your measure, which in this example is sales. A menu will appear. Navigate through it to find Quick Table Calculation and select Year-over-Year Growth. This powerful feature automatically calculates the growth percentage from one year to the next, making it a breeze to see how your sales data evolves annually. To enrich your analysis further and tailor your visualization, consider customizing the display. Dragging the date dimension to the color shelf is one way to do this. It allows for a vibrant comparison of different years side by side, giving you a clearer perspective of yearly performance at a glance. Alternatively, for a more data-centric approach, you can drag the date dimension to the label shelf instead. This action displays the YOY growth percentage directly on the chart, making it easy to see the growth figures without additional steps. And there you have it, a seamless, step-by-step guide to calculating and visualizing year-over-year growth in Tableau. Remember that customizing your view with colors and labels not only enhances your data presentation, but also aids in better understanding and communicating the insights you collect through your analysis. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you harness the full power of Tableau for your analysis.